It's time to move from theory to practice and actually start using AI today. The good news is you already have everything you need. You need a device, which can be a computer, tablet, or smartphone. You need an internet connection because AI tools run in the cloud. You need an email address to create an account. And you need a bit of curiosity, the willingness to experiment. That's it. No coding and no special software to install. One thing to keep in mind, though, AI is impressive, but it won't be perfect. You'll need to learn how to ask good questions. Some responses will be wrong or unhelpful, and getting good results takes practice. That's completely normal. Everyone starts right here. First, choose one AI tool to start with. For most beginners, the best starting point is ChatGPT. It has the largest user base, it's well documented, and there's a free tier. You can reach it at chatopenai.com or through the ChatGPT app. If you'd like an alternative, there are a few good ones. Claude at Claude.ai is great if you value thoughtful, nuanced responses. Gemini at gemini.google.com fits if you're deep in the Google ecosystem, and Copilot at copilot.microsoft.com makes sense if you use Microsoft products heavily. All of them are free to try. The key here is to pick just one to start with. You can always explore the others later once you're comfortable. Creating an account is quick and free. For ChatGPT, go to chatopenai.com, click Sign Up, enter your email or use a Google, Apple, or Microsoft sign-in, verify your email, and complete any prompts. Claude and Gemini are just as simple, and Gemini uses your existing Google account. Once you're in, start simple. Type something casual like, "Hi, I'm new to AI tools. What can you help me with?" The AI will explain its capabilities, and that's a great way to learn what's possible. From there, try basic tasks. You could say, "Explain how photosynthesis works in simple terms," or ask it to help you write a professional thank you email. Be specific, ask follow-up questions, and don't be afraid to experiment. As you experiment, you'll notice AI is great at certain things. It's excellent for drafting emails, messages, and posts, for explaining concepts and jargon, for brainstorming ideas, for summarizing articles and documents, for learning new topics, for planning trips or projects, and for problem solving. For example, you might ask, "Give me 5 ideas for a birthday party theme." That plays right to its strengths, but some tasks are less ideal. AI's knowledge has a cut-off date, so it's weak on real-time information. It may lack highly specialized expertise. For critical decisions, verify before acting. For personal medical or legal advice, consult a professional. And remember, AI can't be held accountable, so it shouldn't be the one responsible for important outcomes. The quality of your results depends a lot on how you ask. A strong prompt often includes 4 parts: context, which is background information, the task, or what you want done; the format, meaning how you want the output, and any constraints or limitations. Here's how that looks altogether. I'm a small business owner. Write a welcome email for new newsletter subscribers. Keep it under 100 words and friendly in tone. Use a bullet point format for the main benefits of subscribing. Notice how it packs in context, task, constraints, and format. You can also lean on common techniques. Ask the AI to act as a career coach, request a step-by-step walkthrough, or say, make it more casual. The best way to improve is simply to use AI regularly and notice what works. Once you're comfortable, explore what's beyond basic chat. Most AI tools offer voice input, image analysis where you upload photos, file uploads so the AI can read documents, web browsing for current information, and even code execution to run code and analyze data. Most also have mobile apps for quick access and voice on the go, so consider installing the app for your chosen tool. Just as important is staying safe. Don't share passwords or authentication codes, financial account numbers, social security numbers, sensitive personal details, or confidential business data. Remember that your conversations may be stored and used for training, so check your privacy settings. And build a verification habit. For anything important, verify facts independently, check the sources AI mentions, and treat it as a starting point, not the final authority. Let's pull it together. Start with one tool, and ChatGPT is a fine choice. Creating an account is quick and free. Begin with simple tasks like explaining, writing, and brainstorming. Remember that good prompts include context, task, format, and constraints. Explore features as you get comfortable, keep sensitive information to yourself, and verify anything important. Above all, practice, because using AI for real tasks is what makes you better. If you don't know what to ask, start with something you'd normally Google. If a response wasn't helpful, add more context or ask for a revision. Now it's your turn. Try that small business welcome email prompt right now, either in the interactive prompt playground on this lesson page at FreeAcademy.ai, or by pasting it straight into ChatGPT or Claude. In the final lesson, we'll learn how to stay updated in the fast-moving world of AI.